Prime factorization. Today, let us study a new concept called prime factorization. What is prime factorization? Prime factorization is to write a number as a product of its prime factors. There are two methods to find the prime factorization of a given number. 1. Prime factorization by repeated division. 2. Prime factorization by building a factor tree. Let us learn them one by one. Prime factorization by repeated division. Find the prime factorization of 180. To express 180 as the product of its prime factors, we have to begin with the smallest prime number that divides 180. As the number 180 is an even number, it is divisible by 2. We write 2 to the left of 180 and dividing it by 2, we get 90, which we write below the dividend 180. Now we have to divide the quotient 90 with the smallest prime number. As the number 90 is an even number, it is divisible by 2. On dividing 90 by 2, we get 45, which we write below 90. Now we have to divide 45 by the smallest prime number. As it is an odd number, so it is not completely divisible by 2. So now we move ahead to the next prime number, that is 3. Number 45 is completely divisible by 3. 45 divided by 3 is 15. Write 15 below the 45. Number 15 is also completely divisible by 3. That is, 15 divided by 3 is 5. Write 5 below the 15. Now we have 5 as the dividend. It is itself a prime number. So, lastly, on dividing 5 by 5, we get 1. Write the 1 below the 5. Now we have 1 as a quotient. Now we write the prime factorization of 180 as the product of all the prime numbers that we have on the left. Thus, the prime factorization of 180 is 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. So, we have to follow 3 steps while finding the prime factorization by repeated division method. They are: Step 1. Divide the number by the smallest prime factor. Write the quotient below the dividend. Step 2. Continue to divide the quotient with the smallest possible prime number till the quotient is 1. Step 3. Write the number as the product of its prime factors arranged in ascending order. Now, let us solve one more example. Express 78 as the product of its prime factors. As 78 is an even number, it is divisible by 2. 78 divided by 2 is 39. Next, as 39 is an odd number, it is not completely divisible by 2. But the next prime number, 3, can divide 39 completely. So, 39 divided by 3 equals 13. Now we have 13 as the dividend, which itself is a prime number. So, dividing 13 by 13, we get 1. Now we have 1 as the quotient. Thus, the prime factorization of 78 is 2 into 3 into 13. Now let us look at the second method.
हमें जो है क्या करना है कि हमने प्राइम फैक्टर्स बनाने हैं. वी हैव गिवन द डिफरेंट नंबर्स एंड वी हैव टू मेक prime factors of the different number. So how can we make it? Is that clear? First जो इससे पहले हमने जो method सीखा था, that method was factor tree, in which we make our tree and we make factors of different numbers. Do you remember that? कि हमने जो है फैक्टर ट्री बनाया था एंड वी मेक ब्रांचेस एंड वी राइट डाउन द नंबर्स इनसाइड दीज ब्रांचेस. सही है. अगर कॉम्पोजिट नंबर होता था, सो व्हाट वी विल डू, वी विल मेक ब्रांचेस. सही है ना. द सेकेंड मैथड वी विल अप्लाई टू डू प्राइम फैक्टर्स इज़ द डिवीजन मैथड. सही है. प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन के दो मैथड है, दैट इज़ प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन. See, prime factorization के दो methods हैं. We can find the prime factorization by two methods. First is factor tree method, which we have done. सही है ना. And the second method is division method. We can find out prime factorization of any number by two methods. Number one is factor tree, which we have done this. And the second is division method. Today we will learn division method. How can we find the prime factorization of any number through division method? Is that clear? So I give you another example, that is we have the another number, that is 84 है ना. अगर हमारे पास 84 है, so how can we do this? 84. So what we will do here, we write down like this. हम इस तरीके से 84 लिखेंगे. Now look here, अगर हम लाइन्स बना लें इसकी, ठीक है. इफ़ वी मेक प्रॉपर लाइन्स, वर्टिकल्स एंड हॉरिजॉन्टल्स लाइन. नाउ वी चेक दिस. वी विल अप्लाई द डिविजिबिलिटी रूल्स. डू यू रिमेंबर दैट? व्हाट इज़ द डिविजिबिलिटी रूल्स? वी रिवाइज इट. देन इफ़ द नंबर कम्स, इफ़ एनी नंबर्स विच एंड्स विथ 0, 2, 4, 6 एंड 8, ऑल दीज नंबर्स आर डिवाइडेड बाय 2. है ना. याद है हमने कहा था कि अगर जिस नंबर के आखिर में 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 आ जाए, दैट विल बी डिवाइडेड बाय 2. इफ़ वी ऐड 2 नंबर्स एंड द सम विच इज़ इक्वल टू एनी नंबर, सपोज दैट अगर हम किसी भी दो नंबर को ऐड करते हैं और उसका सम जो भी आता है, ठीक है, इफ़ इट इज़ डिविजिबल बाय 3, सो वी से दैट दिस नंबर इज़ डिविजिबल बाय 3. इफ़ द नंबर कम्स, if the number ends with 0 or 5, so we say that this number is the number, that number is divisible by 5. is that clear? ये हमने सारे डिविजिबिलिटी रूल के डिविजिबिलिटी टेस्ट में हम ये सारे टॉपिक में कर चुके. वी हैव डन इट. सो recall these rules and you can find out the prime factorization of any number through division method. is that clear? Now look here, 4 is an even number है ना. 4 even है, so it is divided by the table of 2. हम इसको 2 से डिवाइड कर सकते हैं क्योंकि इसके एंड में 4 आ रहा है. and if the number which come at the end at the one place is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, then it will be divided by 2. Say completely. This is a even number. We say that this is a even number. So 2 4s are 8. हमने क्या किया, 2 को 4 से 8 को 2 से डिवाइड किया. वी गेट 2 4 टाइम 8 एंड 2 2s are 4. ठीक है. अगेन दिस इज़ अ इवन नंबर क्योंकि इसके एंड में 2 आ रहा है. सो इट कैन बी डिवाइडेड by the table of 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. अब देखो 21 is a odd number. It cannot be divided by the table of 2 and 21 comes in the table of 3. हम 2 के टेबल को स्किप कर देंगे, 2 के टेबल को हम छोड़ देंगे and we come at the table of 3. Now 21 comes in the table of 3. How many times it comes? It comes 7 times. So we write down over here 7. Now 7 is a odd number, but 7 is a prime number. 7 does not come in any another table. It has only two factors, that is 1 and 7. So we say that 7 1 time 7. अगर एंड में क्वेश्चन जो होता है वो हमारा 1 आ जाए, it means that question is finished. So we write down the factors of 84 is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 7. See, इन सबको मल्टीप्लाई करते वी गेट द आंसर 84. मल्टीप्लाई दिस, 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 multiplied by 7 is equal to 84. Is that clear? Now I give you another example so that your concept can be more clear. सही है? अच्छा. Now in another example, part B. 117. Okay. Now 117. What we will do here? You will do 117. So you will make the prime factors of 117. Now look here. 117. It is not a even number. ये even number नहीं है. This is not a even number. It is a odd number. है ना? Because 7 comes in the ones place. So we check this, either it comes in the table of 3 or not, because it does not divide by the table of 2. ये 2 के टेबल से डिवाइड नहीं होगा because it is an odd number. So what we will do over here, we check this, either it comes in the table of 3 or not. It is divisible of in the table of 3 or not. 1 plus 1 7, 7 plus 1 8, 8 plus 1 9. 9 can be divided. 9 comes in the table of 3. So it is divisible by the table of 3. 3 3s are 9. यहाँ पर हमने 2 कैरी दे दिया. 3 9s are 27. हमने इसको कैसे डिवाइड किया? वी डिवाइडेड लाइक दिस. 3 3 3s are 9. सही है. माइनस 11 में से 9 माइनस किया, दैट इज़ 2 and 7. 3 9s are 27. सही है. इस तरीके से हमने डायरेक्ट कर दिया कि हमने 11 चेक किया. 11 3 के टेबल में नहीं आता. 11 से छोटा नंबर क्या आते? 9. सो वी राइट डाउन 3 3s are 9 and 27 comes in the table of 3 by 9 times. Now 39. 39 again it is a odd number. है ना? This is a odd number and 9 comes. So what we will check here? Is it come in the table of 3 or not? We check this. 3 plus 9 is equal to 12 and 12 comes in the table of 3. So 39 can be divided by the table of 3. So we write down over here 3 1s are 3 और 9 कितने टाइम आते? 3 टाइम. 3 3s are 9. ठीक है. Now 13. 13 is a prime number. It is not a composite number. So it comes only in the table of itself. That is 13 1s are 13. So we make the factors of 117 is equal to 3 into 3 into 13. Is that clear? Now I think so after watching the video and after listening my lecture, you are able to do the question number 6 in your copy. So do please all the parts question number 6 in your copy. Is that clear? And what another work you will do? You will do exercise 2D. Okay, you will do exercise 2D question number 1 2 and 3. See all the parts you will do in your book and I will share answer key at 6 after 6. Okay, is that clear? So do all parts of question number 1 2 and 3 in your book exercise 2D. I will share answer key after 6. Is that clear? Now okay, complete your work and show me your work. Thank you.